Hi guys, I am back to show you guys a video. I need to get ready for me for Easter. I went to church earlier today, so sorry if I look a mess. You know, it all sweated out from praising and everything, you know, singing, moving around. So my makeup might look a little bit wore off, but in the video it does not. So I showed you guys me putting on my makeup, my hair, you know, my little bun, and then like I showed you guys my clothes. I just want to say happy Easter to you guys if you're watching it today. I'll try to get it up by today. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Please leave video requests down below, and please like, comment, and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, guys. Leave video requests down below, and please follow me on my social media sites. I'll have them listed down below. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I just made a Twitter account, so yeah, I'm late, but please follow me on that, and Snapchat. So that'll be listed down below, along with products that I use on my face, my clothing, and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.
Danthology.
Second, minute, hour, bigger, better, stronger, power. Throw it up, watch it all fall out. Throw it up, that's how we fall out.
Oh, you're gonna stay the night. I need to be free with you tonight.
Tonight is the night.
If I lose myself tonight, it'll be mine.
Far away, too far away, but we can get back yesterday. We'll be young right now, we got it right now. So get up right now, 'cause all we got is
Only
right
know
now.
you've been high when you're feeling low.
The piece of
Only
me
hate the road when
I
you're
wish
missing home.
I didn't
Only know your love over
chase
let
it
it go.
relentlessly. Still fight and I don't know why. All of this tragedy, why are you not ready? If all of insanity, why are you my clarity?
The Harlem Shake, Harlem Shake, Harlem Shake. Get up, get down.
Pump the volume, you feel the bass.
Get up, get down.
Turn me on and let me do my thing.
Get up, get down.
We in the house and we here to stay.
Get up, get down, get up, get down.
I got my ticket for the long way round.
Even if the sky is falling down around we go. I'm all alone now. Check it out. Me and you should take a vacay.
What does the fuck say?